bike. Pretty sexy. Got my stolen cell bars. My Flatware grips. My Eastern stem. My FSA impact headset. Got some Mission circuit forks. And I got the Mission front wheel. And I got a FAF in the front for my tire. Tan wall. Then I got the stock specialized frame. Then I got my Kink seat post. Super stumped. And then I got my Cardinal seat. Then I got my Kink static sprocket. And then I got my stock cranks, stock BB, Haro recycled PC pedals. And I got my cinema wheel in the back. And then I got a Kenda contact tire. And that's my bike.